Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how we can upload this Ipynb file directly to the Kaggle competition. So what we will do, I will just go through quickly with this file first, and after that I will show you how we can submit it this file. So this is tabular binary classification problem, machine learning. I have submitted this file on 22nd May. So what I did, I imported all the required library. After that I test the test data and train data I have uploaded, and from the file where it was located in my desktop, and from there I have just printed the test and train. So you can see 700,000 in the test data shape and 900,000 in the train data shape, and 32 and 33 columns are there. One column target is not there because we have to predict the target in the this thing. So you can see I have used scribe and transpose method so that I can see all the columns in the here, and after that I use the info, and you can see all the columns are the float, either float or integer. Only one F27, that is the object only. So I have just taken the value counts of the first 25 columns of the F27. So it's already all about 8 to 9 12. So it's almost like a continuous column. So you can see that after 27 there are the B, C, A, B, C, D are there. So what I did, I just split it in this F27 into 10 columns, and there are only maximum 10 columns are there. After that you can see all the 11th is the empty. So what I did, I just mapped all this column to the new column F1 to F10, and use the str split. Same thing I did for the test data set also, and same F1 to F10, and after that I printed test and train data set. So again now the column are 42 in the test and 43 in the train. So I just printed the train columns and the test column to see the, you can see the new columns are here, F1 to F3 and all that. So after that I dropped this F27 and ID, because F27 I already converted in the F1 to F10, and I used in place equal to true so that it will be omitted in the data frame. After that I made a new variable numerical column. So just includes all the numbers numerical value, and plotted a chart in the sorted manner. So you can see, so you can see there are the few columns which has very less value, and few columns they are almost like the continuous, more than 800,000 values are there. So what I did, I made the new to split it in again to continuous and categorical column. So the value I taken which is greater than 16, so it will be the continuous column, and made it to the list, and the value which is less than 16, so I have considered is at a as a category column. So I just printed both this test and continuous and categorical column, and this I did because to remove the outliers. So what I did, I after the printing I just made a function for the outliers treatment. So it's I taken 25 percentile as a Q1 and Q3, and taken the upper bound and lower bound limit. So I've used np.where. So where the greater than upper bound, I have used upper bound, and where there is the lower bound, I have taken the lower bound value. So I have applied this for the continuous column of the train data set, and this continuous columns are this 28, 26, 25, and the same I have applied for the test data set. So after that again I have we have checked information. So you can see after the 30th target, all the 31 to 40 are the object column. Because we have created new and converted this into the ABCD. So I've just printed 10 and test data set, and I have just split it again into the two category. One is the object, and other I taken the numerical column. So I've used the select D types, include is equal to all, and exclude object. So you can see you can make this in 31 and 10 column. After that I've used sklearn preprocessing for applying the in label encoder in the object column. So this you can see I've made instance that label encoder and applied to the this all the F1 to F10. So from here you can see I have applied this in the object column, le.fit underscore transform and test column, and you can see the train columns are here. And after that our model is ready for machine learning, so I have converted into the x and y. So we have dropped the target in the x, and in the y we have included the target. After that I have split it x train x text by train by test using the train test split. I have taken size 0.25, random state 42. You can try taking 0.3, you can try taking 0.4, because we have a very large data set. It is 700 900,000 rows, so you can apply whatever you want. And I have not used this standard scaler because I haven't seen the score is much improving. So you won't try if you are using some different method or something. So you can try this standard scaler method. And after that I have you can see I have used all many all the classifiers. So and this random forest I found the best. This is the sixth file I am submitting here. So I after that I this you can see the score 0.82 here. And I have applied the cat boost model. So it takes little time, around 2 minutes, and you can see the score is much improvement. It's around 0.9081. So it's not very good, but it's okay. It is considerable. So that is okay. So after that I have checked accuracy score from the test data set and our predictions. And after that you have to use a new bipred, which we have to test actual our test data set which is there. So you can use there and check the after that we have to use the submission sample file. So we have to submit actually in that some samples only. So because it has id and two columns only, so should be same. So I just loaded and take the id from the sample submission, and after that you can take it to output to CSV, and index is equal to false, and you can print your submission file. Now the file is ready for the submission. So you can go to the Kaggle website, go to the competition, and click on the competition, go to my submission, and from there you have to click on the code, go to the new notebook, and from there you can see there is will be one default window will become. So what you do, you just copy the first code, either you copy paste in your file, or you can copy here, and after uploading the file you can paste here. So I am just copying from here and importing my notebook. So this is my download folder. So I will import it, and it's now imported. So you can delete this binary classification and date if you want, and you paste the code which we have copied from the last file. So after this actually this is very large data, so this will take some time. So you second line is not required, so I will delete the second line, and about the library I already copied in the above. So after that what you have to do, you can see the right hand side there is one input window where you will see the three files, sample and test and train. So you copy this path, file path. So I will just copy the test path, and I will paste this where we are pd.read_csv. I will paste this data file path here, and again I will copy the train CSV and copy here in the train path. So now our train and test data are ready to read from the Kaggle, and submission also we have used in the last. So we will false submission file also we will paste here. So you can see now our file is ready to run. So it will take some time, so I will just fast forward this video little bit, because it will take around 3 to 4 minutes. So once our file is submitted, you will see the right hand side there is one output window. So here the submission file will come, and once it's completed, all the cells are executed. So you will see and right now there is nothing at right hand side. So once the file is submitted, it will come the new your new submission file will come. So I will just go and run all the cell, and I will just fast forward little bit. So meantime, I will also explain you that how we can load the direct. Also, if you have the submission file created from the Jupyter, then you can directly also you can submit. So let's run this first. It's running. Okay, so it's you can see the window, and you can go to the competition, go to your work, and then again you can see you can uh, click on the your competition, go to submission, and here you will see one my submit prediction. Click on there, and you can upload file from here, and there is a book also on the comment section. You can write what you did, what was your planning, so you can submit these predictions. Okay, so this is the one way. And also this file actually takes around take around 3 to 4 minutes to submit on the Kaggle. So actually I forgotten to start the GPU, so you can also start the GPU. I will show you. Actually this is very big data set. So the Kaggle provide you the GPU and TPU, so in case you are using deep learning and big model, so you can go to the, you can see the three dots on the upper right hand side. So you can click here, go to the accelerator and start the GPU. I have forgotten previously, but now I have started it. So okay, here it will take around 2 to 3 minutes. So that's why I have not used all the predictions, all the models here, because it was taking too much time. So now it will not take much time. It's already 1 minute remaining. So once you this file comes, you have to submit, and you will see your latest score from this file and the best score which you have used your past submission. So it's okay, it's taking around 1 minute is still remaining. So let it be complete. I will not fast forward now. Okay, so actually you can do a lot. I have just taken this file and deleted all the models, deleted many cells, so that it can be completed in the less time. But you can do a lot. You can use you can use the markdown and many observations. You can, I have used all the plottings, many plottings. I did lot of, but this is my actually seventh submission. This is not the first submission. But my main motive was here to just show you how we can upload directly, because few people don't like to work directly on the Kaggle. I actually don't like, because sometimes it's very slow and I have to do lots of the things, so it's mess up. So I work on the Jupyter file, then only I go and submit it on the Kaggle. So it's okay, it's only 8 seconds is remaining. So now it's almost completed. Okay, so it's now completed. So you can see the score is same 0.907, and you can see the your files was successfully saved. So right hand side, now you can see in the output window, you will see the submission file there. So press the refresh button, and you will see it will load here. It takes, okay, actually the submission files is also very large, 7 MB. So after that you can just press the submit button. I'm not going to submit it because I already submitted many times. So I'm not going to submit it. So I hope friends this is okay. You have understood what was the my motive to achieve in this video. So thank you very much for watching the video. Please like and subscribe if you like my video, and in future also I will try to make a very good and helpful video for you. Thank you very much. So I have improved